everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm doing a pour on a 16 by 20 inch artist loft canvas. I am doing a collaboration with JB Pour Art with Janja Bremec. Sorry, Janja, if I pronounced your last name wrong. Bremec. Maybe that's right. Sorry, I'm terrible at pronouncing names. We are doing a dustpan pour. Any size, we could do any size canvas, small, bigger, large, whatever. We can use any base color we choose. I'm going to use white. And we chose 6 colors. We each chose 3 colors. She chose green, orange, and magenta, and I picked purple, blue, and surprise, surprise, gold. And then we're gonna do a dustpan pour. So, with that being said, I need a cup to pour in. I am going to layer my colors into a cup. This paint's on the outside, it's not on the inside. This is the dustpan I'm gonna use, and I'm just gonna kind of, I don't know, have a little fun with it. But first I'm gonna layer my paints. I kind of thought about doing a dirty pour, but I think I'm just gonna do more layers. So I'm gonna start off with gold. And then I'm gonna use my purple, which I should tell you my colors. Oof, what am I doing? So I have SoHo's Dioxazine Violet, that's my purple color. The orange, I'm using Artist Loft's Neon Orange. And of course, Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold. I'm using Artist Loft's Deep Magenta. And then for the blue, I'm going to use Blickrylic Florescent Blue. And then for my green, I'm using Blickrylic Turquoise Green. Those are my colors. So now I'm just going to layer them up here. I do thank you everybody for watching. Hopefully you will enjoy the video and you will like and subscribe and share all that fun jazzy jazz. I do apologize for if any of you noticed I kind of had a little mix-up. I'm making my trailer for this collaboration. I don't know what I was thinking. I've just been going through so much and my head is, I need to slow down. I think I'm just, with my cousin passing away, my nephew was hit by a car. Like my cousin passed away 2 Saturdays ago. That following Monday, my nephew was hit by a car. Literally ran over by a car. Poor kid he has a right shoulder broken clavicle, a right broken leg. He had like skid marks or road rash all the way down his right side. His left hand, like his fingers literally came out of the bone, and he has stitches. So he has a cast on that hand. He only has one good left leg, the poor kid. And he actually was hit by a car when he was young, when he was 9 years old. So this is actually the second time he's been hit by a car, but and this time he literally was ran over. Like if he wouldn't have had his helmet on, the poor kid, I don't even know what to say. It's pretty sad. I feel bad for him. But he's had some head injuries prior, obviously from when he was hit by a car when he was younger, and he doesn't like to just sit around and do nothing. Like, this kid will walk for hours if you let him, and so it's been really hard to keep him not from doing things he's not supposed to be doing. So, and then with all of the different doctor's appointments we've had, and I've just been trying to keep him company because he gets bored so easily. Like I said, because he's not one to just sit around and do nothing. He loves to do yard work, and he's not able to even do that anymore. So I've been trying to keep him company, and so I apologize for the mix-up with my video and my trailers this morning, or for this collaboration. Although Lee and I are going to be doing a collaboration, I just had everything all mixed up, and I do apologize for that, and I feel so bad because poor Lee thought she had forgot that we had something this weekend or for this day, and I just felt so bad. So, but her and I will be doing a collab very, very soon, and I think we're gonna do a dustpan pour as well. So that's exciting. I haven't done, like I said, I've done one very long time ago. Very, very, very long time ago. And I don't know. Anyway, so that will be fun. And we haven't kind of worked out all the details for that, but I'm excited to do a collaboration with her. I have quite a few fun collaborations coming soon, so I'm really excited about that. I appreciate everybody who does collaborations with me. I love you guys. You guys keep me busy and just make, you know, me look forward to something because I don't do much. I work at home. You know, I have a lot of my back issues, and keeps me from doing a lot of things. So anyway, enough of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in here. I don't think I'm really going to need this whole cup because I want to kind of have some negative space. We'll see what happens here. I see some pretty cells in there. I think I'll save this for another pour because I don't want to fill the whole thing up. I really do want to have some negative space. All right, so I'm just kind of work this down because I want to try to keep it pretty level here as far as coming out at first anyway. Oh, that looks so pretty. I've seen VR Turner. He does a lot of dustpan pours, and they're amazing. So I mean, there's so many ways that you can pour your paint into the dustpan. little something there. Hopefully I got it. All right. So I'm going to try to move this around a little bit without. I probably have a lot of paint on here, so I'm not really sure what this is going to do. This part here, I love. All of this and this. This, I'm not really sure about. I'm gonna bring some of this back in here, and then I think what I'm gonna do to get rid of this is I'm going to pour the rest of this back into the dustpan. It kind of reminds me of, like, maybe if I had this all covered, it would really look like a cave with like the dripping, and then put some crystals coming down. Like, that would be so cool. But I really like it. Yeah, it turned out cool. All right, I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up. All right, so I'm bringing you down for a close-up. But just look how pretty that is. The colors are gorgeous. I love the bands of color. Like, that is just awesome. And these cells there. Oof. And just look at that shimmer. And this is some funky funk. Just look at that. It's weird. But look at all that shimmer. Those bands are beautiful. I do love, like, I love this Blickrylic paints. I don't know if anybody ever uses it or orders from Blick. I am affiliated with them now, and I do have a link in my description if you want to go online and purchase anything from them. If you hit my link, that would help me out so much, my channel. Look at all that shimmer. I do have a link in the description as well for Arteza and BeeBee Crafts and L Beads, and I have another one too. I can't remember what it is. It's another craft store, but they also have I was interested in this company because they have some amazing prices on that Pearl X pigment. Yeah, so I have that link in the description too. They also have Decoart's Extreme Sheen and some other different paints and all kinds of other fabulous things. So, but anyway, I do thank everybody for watching. Thanks so much for doing this collaboration with me. She went before me, so if you would, please go and her link is in the description. So if you go and click on her link, it will take you to her video or to her channel, and you can watch her video as well and see what she came up with the dustpan pour. It's a lot of fun. It's definitely different. So, like I said, next time I think instead of doing the rings or kind of the straight pour, I think maybe I will do a dirty pour in it and see what happens and see what we come up with then. But I do thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys so much. I appreciate all your sweet comments. And if you're new to my channel, visiting today, I hope you enjoyed and you'll like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when my next videos come up. I usually put a video up every Sunday and every Wednesday. And then sometimes I do another one here and there, depending on if I have collaborations on a different day. Yeah, but please go and check out Janja's channel. She's amazing. Yeah, you got to check her out. She does some amazing stuff too. Very talented artist. So thanks again, Janja. I appreciate it. It was a fun collab. We kind of challenged each other in a short notice. It was kind of a quick decision to do our little collaboration, and then it was like, oh, let's do it Saturday. Okay, that's 3 days away. So, but thanks again, everybody. Go and check her out. Check out Janja's. Her link is in the description. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.